Hi, my name is Rusa and I'm a vocal image maker. Today I'd like to talk about articulation. Articulation is very important. Why? When we beautifully, clearly articulate sounds, we send the person we are talking to the following message. I respect you. Dear spectator, my respect to you is so deep that I don't want you to spend tiniest little resource to recognize my speech. So articulation is respect. What to do if your articulation is poor? You sound as if you are slightly drunk, for example, because your tongue tip is not working properly, or you've got the flabby lips, these faces with really hanging lips when you don't feel like articulate at all. There is a classic exercise which quite quickly tunes the articulation. Get your organs of articulation into a working trim. For this exercise, you'd need a pencil. Meanwhile, I quickly show you how it looks like and later explain all the details. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go on to a practical part. So, take a pencil, put it under the eye teeth, so that you could clearly... Kolya, what are you laughing at? So, take a pencil, put it under the eye teeth, so that you could clearly pronounce sound R. If you put the pencil too deep in the mouth, you won't be able to practice the exercise. Your tongue will just roll up and won't work as it has to. So, in order to have this correct barrier in the mouth, you have to put a pencil under the eye teeth and check how R sounds. Then, you have to read any text, pronouncing each letter exaggeratedly and sustaining sound R. For example, hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. You have to read some text 3-4 times or more till your face, as they say, starts rocking along with this pencil. The main point: articulate R clearly. You may just count, tell everything you see at the moment, describe subjects around you, anything. The main thing is all letters sound clearly. Narrow sounds are narrow, wide sounds are wide. R, L, each sound. Then when you take the pencil out, don't forget to shake your lips free, generously spitting over your neighbors. When you take the pencil out of your mouth and start reading the same text, you would see, hear and feel how easily the letters are articulated. Hickory-dickory-dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down, hickory-dickory-dock. This is my simple advice. Add up a pencil, clear articulation, and this exercise in the shortest possible time will make your organs of organs of articulation alert and alive. Наконец-то!